This is the front entrance of SpeedVegas. Right there, SpeedVegas. And you can actually rent to drive there. Luxury speed cars, exotic racing, SpeedVegas Patrol. All those supercars right there. Wow. Ferraris. You can choose which one you want to ride. Ferraris right here. Lamborghini. GT3 RS. Oh, look at all those red cars. Whoa, this one. Nice. Lamborghini. There's a lot of Lamborghinis. Porsches. And then there's for the drivers, you are mandatory going to attend a briefing. But if you are spectators, you can also attend a briefing. And this is a nice color. Wow, look at that. And here's a really nice color. I've never seen this kind of color. I don't know what color is this. Gold. Wait. Here's a nice color. Whoa. Look at that car. Look at that car. Ooh, let's open it. Ooh, there you go. That's the inside of it. That Corvette over there is nice too. That's a nice color Corvette. I don't even know how to open it. How do you open it? This is the briefing room. You have to take a short briefing before you get inside your car of choice. So these are the tracks that if you are going to drive those supercars, this is where you go. It's right there. And if you don't want to drive, you're just going to be a spectator. You're going to sit over here on the balcony. There are some lounge chairs. Behind the track, there's a go-kart. There's a track for the go-karts over there, right there. And behind this one, our track is also off-roading. You guys want to do off-roading over there, right there. First thing, they would take you to SUV for 2 laps, one slow and one fast, and then they put you in your car. Okay, so they go to the SUV right there. We're going to go to SUV first. So this is the SUV. They try to let you put on a helmet beside your... You will have a private instructor that will go with you during your ride. And off she goes. Whoa, that car is driving fast. She's right there, she's right there. Now she's getting a hang of it. And there she is. So this is what they have at SpeedVegas. They have supercars, go-karts, ATV and SSV tour, and they have this Baja dirt track. When you go in, you have a choice to choose which kind of car you want to ride. And they have their pricing, and this one here, there's different pricing on different cars you want to ride. And you can rent go-karts and ATV or SSV. If you learned something from this video, please support my channel by clicking like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Daghang salamat.